Doing this just may cause you to making more money with lesser effort and in shorter time. Trying to get more investing passive income is a waste of your time and energy. You can even lose everything you have made in the past. Come on with me on a journey down memory lane. Imagine we live in 1876. The microphone has just been invented. This new technology is fascinating. It takes our voice and amplifies it to a wider audience without the need to shout at the top of our lungs. You can imagine books, articles, seminars, courses being written and conducted. How to use the microphone, how to calibrate the microphone, top 10 best microphone picks, how to set up the microphone, how to rake in massive money using the microphone, and microphone money making secrets. To some people, it seems like the microphone is actually making people rich and famous. But they are missing the point. Success and money do not go to people who actually know how to expertly use the microphone. It goes to people who knows how to use it purposefully and with intent. To deliver compelling, powerful, persuasive message through the microphone or hypnotize you with their melodic voice. A bad singer with the best microphone, I don't want to close my eyes, is now a louder but still a bad singer. Iya Isabella, lambang cinta yang lara. In the same analogy, if you are an investor with no patience, bad temperament, and gambling tendency, even if you are holding a great stocks or a great cryptocurrency, you will still find ways to screw up. You know, buying high and selling low. It's never the fundamental analysis or the technical analysis that is making people more money or getting rich. It is what is here and here combined that is making you money. You set the end goal you want and be honest to yourself why you want to accomplish the goals that you set. Money, investing, and all these strategies just exist to support all this. Once you really internalize this principle, you will never look at investing the same way again. Just look at our clients who have been there, done that. Doing this just may cause you to making more money with lesser effort and in shorter time.